Hi, I'm Michael Matsumoto. We are standing on the deck of the USS North Carolina. We are currently getting set up for what I would say is the biggest challenge in Battle on the Beach history. In just about an hour, we're gonna have all of our contestants out here. They have no idea where they're coming yet. This is gonna be pretty epic. This season, we're doing 3 unique beach houses, all different layouts.
Here we are a little behind the scenes. We're literally at the house on the beach with my team. As you can see, filming is in progress. It's always good to put signs out just in case people don't realize what's happening with, their neighborhood. But got a great team, got a great beach. It's gonna be a great season.
Okay, so I'm Cheyenne.
I'm Kristen.
And we're from Dallas, Texas.
Okay, so I am a realtor and I have a real estate background. Hold on, let me start that whole thing. I'm a realtor and a real estate investor in Dallas, Texas, and we also run a very successful vacation rental. So we feel like this is kind of right up our alley.
I own a marketing agency, and I also flip on the side with Kristen.
There's a lot of strategy that goes into a competition. For example, we ended up going with the smallest homes, which I think was a shocker to some because most people are like, I'm in the biggest one, but we all have the same budget. And an additional 200 square feet to have to renovate can actually take away from the things that we like to do.
I'm Sam, this is Sean. We are from Michigan, we're married, been together for 10 years. Sean went to school for architecture, I went for design. We've been in this a little bit.
Sometimes I don't like when she changes her mind halfway through, but overall it's pretty good.
I think our edge to win this competition is our work ethic. We don't like to lose, and we are gonna work until things are perfect. One of the cool things about working with Taniya is when we built our house, we actually hired a builder and he pretty much took our money and ran, so we had to figure it out on our own. Where now we have that mentor that we never had when we first started getting into renovations.
She is a ball of knowledge too.
Oh my gosh,
like the amount of stuff that she's pointing out to us is mind-blowing.
Hi, this is literally where we do our OTFs. They're called OTFs because it's on the fly. So after we're done with the scene inside, we get to go out here, and that's my stand-in, Toby. See how much we look like? Whenever you see us talking afterwards, that's us giving you our insight about what happened without them hearing it. So we're a little more candid and we're a little more honest, maybe. Unless you're Allison, who's just honest all the time.
I'm not good with this, so oh God. All right.
Allison's a firecracker, and you got to be ready for her to explode, but in a good way.
Can you please change back? All right, 2 minutes. We're out.
She definitely has a lot of ideas and point of views to bring to life, but for the most part, it's great working with Allison.
What gives us an edge over the other competition is that we're not a couple like the rest of them. So we argue a little bit different. We agree on some things a bit different, and our skill sets are so different. I think it's a plus for this competition. And I have design skills. He's definitely more of the build, but I'll throw any idea at him and he'll try to build it.
I'm a master carpenter and I'm an electrician. So even after I build it, I can light it up.
Allison definitely is leaning more towards the Malibu style, and I don't think that quite fits here in Oak Island. People don't feel very Malibu here. Everybody's kind of hometown, and I like that, and I want to stick to that. But Allison has a whole lot of expertise, so you absolutely want to listen when she gives some advice.
Hey, I have a side note.
Oh, good.
Why? I love a good Allison side note.
You can do this.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice. That's perfect. This season's battle's gonna be. All right, here we go. We're excited. Taniya and I are here on board the USS North Carolina.
Look at this.
Yes. Talk about guns are out.
Speaking of big guns.
A bit of a. Looks like she's been invited back on board.
Don't you fall.
They said I couldn't wear heels.
Today's a big day though because we got a huge challenge. So we got our teams on board. Let's face it, this is a battleship. We are battle on the beach.
We don't know the battle
Yeah.
yet.
Yeah, exactly.
That's the cool part.
Well,
We
our
actually
orders haven't been put in. But
Right.
Yeah.
I think
We don't know what
people
it is.
think that we know what's coming up.
We find out when they find out.
We Google everything. This season, the guns are even bigger.
Hi, I'm Dina. I'm the marketing director of the Battleship North Carolina. We are excited to have HGTV here today. The Battleship was commissioned in 1941. She was the most successful battleship in all of World War II. In 1961, the battleship was crowdfunded. Everyone donated to bring the battleship home, so that's part of why she's such a beloved element of Wilmington, North Carolina, as well as the United States. This space was lovingly redone by one of our volunteers. It represents what this space would have really looked like at the time. You know, you've got your calendar from 1943, as well as your pinup girls. This is the room where sailors lived who manned and repaired our 20-inch guns.
This season, the twists are bigger, the turns are bigger, the challenges are bigger, everything is bigger. Obviously, we're on the deck of a battleship, which isn't the cheapest thing in the world.
Did you tell them that
doesn't matter.
These are the biggest challenges we've ever done?
Oh yeah.
And how much do they cost, Michael?
A lot.
Way too much. So we got
Not
some
enough.
shirts for the occasion, just in case he forgot.
I say yes, he says no, and then he ultimately will say yes.
Yeah.
We're just making great TV.
Battle of the Beach, Season 4, Take 1, Mark.
About the big guns.
So how is this for an epic start to your day today? Pretty good? Yeah. I just gave the contestants the rules. They have each to find 5 tools that are hidden here on this battleship. Each team needs to go find a toolbox, open it up, find the secret tool, and drop it off to the mentor. They have to collect all 5 tools. First one to do that raises their flags and wins the extra 2 hours.
I am excited to like run around the ship though and do a little scavenger hunt. That'll be kind of cute.
Yes. We're already planning the space.
Oh, I love that.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. You're gonna have a
good. You
short
might as
amount of
well.
time to do it, so hopefully you know
So get
what
after
it is.
Roll GoPros.
Battle begin now.
Oh my God. Yes! Oh! Woo! Woo! Realize that our teams are the color of icy beverages.
Oh. Okay, Brandon, go.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job. Oh, God. Ooh. There's another battle you got to see behind the scenes.
Yeah.
And that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.